Hi guys, how y'all doing? I wanted to hop on here and just wish you guys a happy new year. I really haven't posted a video in like 2 weeks because I've just been so sick with the flu. It's just spreading like a wildfire. So I'm not sure where you are, but here it's just spreading all over. So I've been sick like a little bit before Christmas, right through the entire holidays. So you know how my holidays went, but I'm still grateful to see another year, and I'm thankful that you're all still here with me. I started YouTube really out of my love for decorating and doing DIYs and with encouragement from family and friends. And I'm just so grateful that you have subscribed and you have been coming along this journey with me. Actually, I didn't even know that anybody would subscribe to my channel, so I'm really, really grateful. So I hope the holidays went well for all of you, and I'm looking forward to just creating and doing lots more DIYs in the new year. If there's anything you would like me to do or want me to try, you can always drop it in the comments. I'll be happy to try it and we go from there. But if you haven't yet subscribed and you're watching the videos, please go ahead and subscribe, because per my analytics, a lot of you watch, but you don't subscribe. But please go ahead and do so if you are enjoying the videos. It will help my channel to grow and I'll be able to do lots more. So again, I want to thank you so much. So today's video that I'm going to be posting, it's going to be a sweet little dessert and a sweet little treat. So let's just get into that video. Today I'm making a decadent, tasty stout ice cream. So for this recipe, you will need your stout. So I'm using a Jamaican Dragon Stout. It's very rich and smooth. You will also need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, your heavy whipping cream. This carton holds 2 cups. We'll also be using some vanilla. The first step is reducing the stout. It's going to make the flavor deeper and remove some of the bitterness. So I'm going to put it to simmer on medium until it thickens slightly and reduces. So this is how it looks after it has been reduced. So I'm going to set it aside to cool in a container. It might look like a small amount, but trust me, the flavor is going to be very rich. Next, I'm going to be making the base for the ice cream. So I have my condensed milk here and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then I'm going to be adding the reduced stout. I'll also add a pinch of salt and mix all the ingredients until they are fully combined. So this is where the flavors come together, guys, and the pinch of salt will definitely go a long way in balancing the sweetness and deepening the flavors and make them more vibrant. Now I'm going to be whipping the cream and I'm using the whisk attachment. Make sure the whipping cream is cold, as that will make it whip correctly and provide the best texture. I'm going to whip on medium-high until I get soft peaks. It should be light and fluffy in texture. So this is the base that I made earlier, and now I'm going to add a little bit of the whipping cream to the base just to loosen it up a bit. And guys, if you are enjoying the video, please remember to hit the thumbs up button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so and help my channel to grow. I would greatly appreciate it. If you have any lumps while mixing, you can squish them on the side of the bowl. I'm now going to add the stout mixture to the remaining cream, and I'm going to gently fold the mixture in just to make sure I do not deflate the air in the cream. And you'll want to take your time here when mixing, guys, to make sure as much hair remains in the mixture as possible so the ice cream can stay light and creamy. Now I'm going to add this to a freezer safe container. I'm going to smooth out the top a little bit and cover and freeze for about 6 hours or overnight. So this is how it turned out, guys, creamy and full of flavor. Let me know if you try this recipe, and thank you so much for watching as usual, and I'll catch you in the next video.